Good news! This transcription site is hiring right now, and they're hiring worldwide, which means you can apply today, supply all the necessary details, get accepted, and you start working immediately. $27 per hour typing online. You don't want to miss this. Now, if you live in Africa, Europe, America, or Asia, and you're looking for an online typing job that pays very well, then you want to draw your seat closer because I have a good one for you in this video. This transcription site is hiring right now, and they're hiring worldwide, which means you can apply today, supply all the necessary details, get accepted, and you start working immediately. So in this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know from application to taking the test, how much you get paid, how to withdraw your money, tools you need to get started, and even the requirement as contained on their website. You know I'm rooting for you. So any information that will bring money into your pocket, I'll bring it your way, because that's what friends do. So the transcription site that will pay you $27 per hour for typing online is CastingWord. Now, CastingWord has been in business for the past 15 years. They've been paying people like you for the past 15 years for transcribing for them. From the information contained on their website, their clients include BBC, ABC, and even Microsoft. CastingWord is hiring right now. Look at this. They are constantly looking for talented transcriptionists like you to join their team. And you can apply from anywhere you are in the world. There are about 200 countries that are listed where you can apply from, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. A list of 200 plus countries that are eligible to join their pool of remote staff working as freelancers. Types of tasks you can take here. Now, there are 3 major types of tasks you can take on CastingWord. Transcription, editing of transcripts, and other tasks, which include determining the quality of clients' projects. You can apply and do any of these 3 tasks and get paid. It mustn't be transcription. So in case you don't like transcription, there are other options you can take on this platform, and they are simple tasks. Tools you require to get started as a transcriptionist or a freelancer on this platform are basic tools. The first one is a computer. So you need to have a computer with an internet connection. You would also need to have a headset to make it easy to listen to clips and hear whatever the voice is saying clearly. You also need to know how to use the Microsoft Word, because that's what you're going to use for your transcription. And finally, you would need to have transcription softwares like Otter to make the task easy for you. In case you don't know what Otter is an application that's going to make life easy for you as a transcriptionist. The app is practically going to do the whole transcription work for you. It's going to listen to the conversation, record, and write whatever the voice in the clip says. Then your job is just to go through the transcript, make some corrections, and submit it to your clients. If you don't have the Otter app yet, check the description of this video for a link to sign up and create a personal account for yourself. What does it take to apply and get accepted as a transcriptionist on CastingWord? First, you need to be at least 18 years or above. So you cannot apply if you are below 18 years. You also need to live in one of the supported countries. You need to be able to receive the type of payment they issue, which is PayPal. Now, in case you don't have a PayPal account, I have a video that guides you on how to create a PayPal account. Now, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. This video is going to show you how to create a functional PayPal account that can pay and receive money anywhere in the world. Here's the video. You want to watch it to learn how to create your personal account so you can work as a freelancer on this platform. You need to be able to work as an independent contractor under the law. These are all the requirements. If you fulfill all of them, go on and click on the link in the description of this video and apply. Are you getting value from this video? Please give it a thumbs up. From their website, CastingWord pays between 8 cents and $1 per audio minute. So you see, it's easy to do $27 per day if you're able to transcribe 1 audio hour a day. You'll be able to crush the $27 per day goal. From what I gathered, transcription and editing of transcripts even pay on bonus. So you'll be able to make way more than this amount of money. CastingWord pays via PayPal. So you need to have a PayPal account for you to work and collect your payment every week. The PayPal account you're going to use to collect your payment must be yours. They stated clearly that you cannot use another person's PayPal account. So you want to learn how to create a PayPal account. Payments are made every Friday, and you can withdraw your money down to the last dollar in your account. Yes, so long as you've been a member for the past 1 week, you can request payments down to the last dollar you have in your account. There's no limitation as to how much you can withdraw from your account balance. So to withdraw your money, all you need is send payment request to the admin, and once it's processed, your money will be sent to your account. Now, how do you apply? To apply, you need to head over to their website, and the link to this website is contained in the description of this video. So check the first link as contained in the description of this video, click on it, and it's going to take you to a page where you're going to make your application. When you open the link, you'll be required to supply the basic details, which is your name, your email address, and then you create a password. Then you click on submit. It's going to take you to the next stage of the application where you are going to take the test. Okay. From the information contained on their website, when you submit your application, you might be required to take a test. And in some cases, based on the information supplied, you might not be required to take a test. You will just be accepted into the platform as a freelancer. If you're required to take the test is 90 minutes, basically transcription job, the kind of job you're going to do on the platform once you sign up. And once you take the test and your performance is good, you will receive a confirmation email giving you the remaining details on how to sign up and then get started immediately as a transcriptionist on their platform. Now, while taking the test, if for any reason you are not able to complete the test, you will still have a chance to come back to your test after 24 hours. Yes, you can continue the test if you're not able to complete it at one sitting. All you need to do is, before you leave the test, click on the button provided and choose a reason why you will not be able to complete it. Then you can return to the test after 24 hours. There you have it. I have seen a lot of people who apply for this test and passed it at one sitting. Now, if there are other information you would like to know about CastingWord that are not covered in this video, I will drop a link in the description of this video that will attend to all your questions. Click on the link and it will take you to their website where all your questions will be answered. That is it, guys. I hope you got value from this. If you want more transcription jobs like this, check this video for some more exciting transcription jobs that you can take today. See you in my next video. Bye.